If your Facebook page is suspended, here's how to get it back. So let's talk about why Facebook pages get suspended. Your page might be suspended for the reasons like you must have broken any Facebook's rules, you may have used any fake information, or you may have been posting spam or too many ads. And there must be any problems with the admin accounts as well, or there must be any unusual activity. So in order to fix that, first you need to check your email. Facebook usually sends an email explaining the suspension. So check your inbox and spam folders for instructions. Also, you can go to the Facebook Help Center, scroll down, tap on Report a Problem, tap on Continue to report a problem. From here, scroll down and select Pages, and now describe the issue in this box. You can also record a video or upload any photo from your phone and then submit it and wait for a response, which may take a few days. And also make sure that your profile is verified with your phone number or email. Remove any admins you don't trust. Only the reliable admins should manage the page. And remove anything that might break the Facebook's rule. Avoid spam, repeated ads, or sensitive content, and make sure that your page information is correct and complete. And always post original and interesting content. Don't break the rules. Don't buy fake likes or use fake engagement tools. And keep your page active. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.